In the vast tapestry of Chinese mythology, Fuxi stands as a towering figure, revered as a progenitor of civilization. His story is not just a myth, but a cornerstone of Chinese cultural heritage, symbolizing the dawn of human ingenuity and societal development. He is credited with bestowing upon humanity the gifts of fishing, hunting, and the profound wisdom of the 8 Trigrams, or Bagua. These contributions were not merely practical skills, but were seen as divine knowledge that connected the earthly and the celestial realms. These innovations marked a pivotal turning point in the story of humankind, ushering in an era of knowledge, sustenance, and cultural advancement. The introduction of these practices allowed early Chinese societies to thrive, laying the foundation for complex communities and rich cultural traditions. Fuxi's legend is deeply intertwined with the very essence of Chinese culture. His teachings and innovations are celebrated in temples and cultural heritage sites across China, serving as a reminder of the ancient wisdom that continues to influence modern life. His contributions laid the groundwork for the development of agriculture, social order, and the profound philosophical systems that would come to define Chinese thought. The principles he introduced were further expanded by later scholars, shaping the moral and ethical framework of Chinese society. His story is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of ancient wisdom. Through the ages, Fuxi's influence can be seen in the continuous evolution of Chinese culture, philosophy, and societal structures, proving that his legacy is as relevant today as it was millennia ago. Imagine a time when the world was raw, untamed, and unforgiving. Early humans lived in a state of constant uncertainty, their survival precariously dependent on the whims of nature. Food was scarce, and the elements posed constant threats. The struggle for existence was relentless. In this challenging environment, Fuxi emerged as a beacon of hope. He possessed a keen intellect and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Observing the natural world around him, he began to discern patterns and principles that had eluded his predecessors. He saw the fish leaping in the rivers and the animals roaming the forests, and he envisioned a way to harness these resources for the betterment of humankind. Fuxi's first breakthrough was the invention of fishing nets. Prior to this, humans had relied on rudimentary methods like spearing or trapping fish, which were often inefficient and unreliable. The invention of nets revolutionized fishing, allowing for larger catches and a more consistent food supply. With the advent of fishing nets, humans could now venture out onto lakes and rivers, expanding their territory and reducing their dependence on the vagaries of hunting. This newfound abundance of food led to better nutrition, increased life expectancy, and the gradual development of permanent settlements. Fishing, once a perilous gamble, became a sustainable source of sustenance. Fuxi's observations of the natural world extended far beyond the practicalities of food and shelter. He was fascinated by the cycles of day and night, the changing seasons, and the movements of the celestial bodies. He sought to understand the underlying order of the universe and to decipher the language of the cosmos. Through years of contemplation and observation, Fuxi developed the 8 Trigrams, or Bagua. These 8 symbols, each composed of 3 lines, either broken or unbroken, represent the fundamental principles of reality. They embody the dualistic nature of the universe, encompassing concepts such as heaven and earth, light and dark, male and female. Section 5. The Book of Changes. The 8 Trigrams form the foundational building blocks of the I Ching, or Book of Changes, one of the oldest and most influential texts in Chinese history. These trigrams, each consisting of 3 lines, either broken or unbroken, represent fundamental natural forces and elements. The I Ching is a divination system and philosophical treatise that uses the trigrams combined into pairs to form 64 hexagrams to provide insights into the workings of the universe and the human condition. Each hexagram is associated with specific meanings and interpretations, offering guidance on various aspects of life. The I Ching has been consulted for millennia by emperors, scholars, and ordinary people seeking guidance on matters of love, war, business, and personal growth. Its wisdom has transcended time, influencing not only Chinese culture, but also thinkers and philosophers around the world. Its enduring popularity is a testament to the profound wisdom contained within its pages and the timeless relevance of Fuxi's observations about the cyclical nature of life. The I Ching continues to be a source of inspiration and insight, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things and the ever-changing nature of existence. Section 6. A legacy etched in time. Fuxi's legacy extends far beyond the practical innovations of fishing and hunting. His contributions to these essential survival skills were just the beginning of his profound impact on Chinese culture and society. Or the esoteric wisdom of the 8 Trigrams. These Trigrams, which form the basis of the I Ching, are a testament to his deep understanding of the natural world and its underlying principles. He is revered as a cultural hero, a sage king who brought civilization to humanity. His wisdom and leadership are celebrated in countless stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. His teachings on social order, agriculture, and the importance of family structure laid the groundwork for the development of Chinese society. These teachings emphasized harmony, respect, and the balance between nature and human activities. Fuxi's influence can be seen in the reverence for ancestors, which remains a cornerstone of Chinese cultural practices. Ancestral worship connects the present with the past, honoring the contributions of those who came before. The emphasis on education and self-cultivation, which are seen as pathways to personal and societal improvement. Education has always been highly valued in Chinese culture, thanks in part to Fuxi's teachings, and the enduring belief in the interconnectedness of all things that permeate Chinese culture. This holistic view of the universe, symbolized by the yin-yang, reflects Fuxi's profound insights into the nature of existence. His story continues to inspire generations of artists who draw upon his legacy to create works that reflect the depth and richness of Chinese heritage. Writers and thinkers who find in his legend a wellspring of creativity and philosophical inquiry. His influence is evident in the enduring themes of Chinese literature and philosophy. Who find in his legend a wellspring of creativity and philosophical inquiry. Fuxi's legacy is a testament to the enduring power of wisdom and the timeless nature of cultural heritage. Section 7. Temples of Remembrance. Throughout China, temples dedicated to Fuxi stand as testaments to his enduring legacy. These sacred spaces serve as centers of pilgrimage, where people come to pay their respects, seek guidance, and celebrate his contributions to Chinese civilization. Incense burns continuously, filling the air with a sense of reverence and tranquility. Inside these temples, statues of Fuxi, often depicted with a benevolent smile and holding a fishing net or a scroll of the 8 Trigrams, serve as focal points for meditation and reflection. The walls are adorned with murals depicting scenes from his life and teachings, reminding visitors of his enduring impact on Chinese culture. Section 8. The enduring flame of innovation. Fuxi's story is not merely a relic of the past, but a timeless reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of continuous learning. His willingness to observe, experiment, and innovate paved the way for countless advancements in human civilization. Just as Fuxi's inventions transformed the lives of early humans, so too do modern innovations continue to shape our world. From the development of new technologies to the exploration of space, the spirit of Fuxi's legacy lives on in the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the desire to create a better future. Section 9. Unveiling the past, illuminating the future. The study of ancient myths like that of Fuxi offers a window into the beliefs, values, and aspirations of past civilizations. By delving into these stories, we gain a deeper understanding of the human experience and the universal themes that connect us across time and cultures. As we continue to explore the rich tapestry of human history, we inevitably encounter new perspectives, challenge existing assumptions, and expand our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The legend of Fuxi, with its timeless wisdom and enduring relevance, serves as a potent reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage and the transformative power of storytelling.